What's up, Mutha Truckers?
Ready.
What's going on, guys? Grinding Gears here. We are here at the Mid-America Truck Show 2025. We are here at the 10-4 Truck Insurance booth hanging out. Nice to meet you, dude.
You
Nice
too,
to meet
man.
you. Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're here hanging out, just having a good time. We got all kinds of YouTubers everywhere. Everybody's just acting a fool per usual. But yeah, Grinding Gears on YouTube. You guys be sure to check me out.
Here we are, man.
Yes, sir.
So, about this insurance,
Yes.
what do they got to do?
All you gotta do is call 10-4 Truck Insurance. Ask for Jessica Rush. Jessica Rush. And tell her that you heard about her on the Grinding Gears insurance, Grinding Gears YouTube channel. You heard about their insurance. And they also have roadside assistance. With the roadside, it's like AAA, but for big rig trucks. And their insurance is very affordable. So you guys want to call Miss Jessica Rush and check it out.
All right. We're at the Gentry and Sons Trucking. Getting ready to meet him. Got to see his truck right here.
Long as I can maintain.
It'll be fun. Pretty cool getting to meet people.
Yeah, my fans
Have to check them out on YouTube. All right. Who are we here with?
Team Gentry.
What do we got? Where can they find you?
So we're in the South Wing. We got Rooster over here. The old 2 million mile Peterbilt. Everyone seems to love it. I know I do.
It's just a nice truck. Really nice.
You come out pretty good. I'm excited about it.
That's awesome.
And I appreciate everybody's support. This is it's amazing. It is absolutely amazing. We just love trucking.
Yeah. Yeah. I tried to get out of it for like 2 years and it didn't work, man. I got right
It's
back.
in your blood, man. It's hard to.
Yeah.
I mean, why would you want to do anything? You know. I mean, it sucks being away from your family and stuff, but a true trucking family is part of life.
Yep.
You know?
Yep. Well, it was nice meeting you.
Yeah, it's been you too.
Look who I ran into.
What's going on, everybody? You know, I should be starting out with like, what's up, Mutha Truckers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
So what's new, brother?
How's Texas?
Hey, I tell you what, it's been good.
Yeah.
It's been good. It's giving me a chance to just clear my mind. And we got a lot of problems. The FMCSA, the government.
Oh, yeah.
And so we're digging deep and trying to investigate and just trying to get the truth out there.
Yeah.
You know, so it sucks, man, because it's like the other day, the head counsel of FMCSA was here. Someone asked about, you know, pulling over truck drivers to put them out of service if they're not doing what they're supposed to be doing. You know what he says? He says,
It's not our job to put people out of service. We hire the CVSA people to do it. Then why do we need the FMCSA?
Exactly.
If you're hiring someone else to do something, that doesn't make sense.
Yep.
Right? So if we're supposed to be about safety, and the FMCSA is supposed to be about safety, then why aren't we doing something about safety? You know what I mean?
Yep.
So that's the big
I
topic.
agree with you, man.
Yeah. Hey, babe, you see me, you see him, make sure you follow this man. Let's go.
Thanks, man.